Angela with TFAC in Bremerton. I'm one of the cooks here, and today we are going to teach you how to cut some chicken. First we're going to do, you have your knife with the weight. And here you have the letters C. And then clear, pull it back. Do the same thing to this side, you hold it up. This way, pull it back. There you go. Then the wing. You have two choices. You can cut this part off if you want, or you can just keep it on. Then what you do is you move it, and right here you'll see the cartilage, and you wiggle. Got the wing. To the other side, same thing, find the spot that wiggles. You got the other wing. And then for the breast, got the bone, so you cut alongside it. You want to take out the wishbone, that's in here. This is the part I'm struggling with. I'll go through it anyway. The other breast, you want skin on off, and then the skin, you can just pull it. There you go. Do you want this? Some people eat this, some don't, some leave it for stock. We're going to go ahead and use it for the adobo. So this is the whole chicken. We have the breast. We have the two wings. This would be the back. And then we have the two legs. With this, if you want, you can cut again. It'll move. And you can see where you would cut. You can divide that into two as well. And since we're making chicken adobo, we want the pieces to be small. And there you go. We are going to make Jody's delicious chicken adobo. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to have the chicken, and you need to have a bowl. So we're going to put the chicken in. And we're going to add half a cup chopped garlic. You can mince it if you like. It's up to you. Jody's way is chopped. Set that aside. Going to have one thick sliced large onion added. We're going to have 1 cup of soy sauce, cups of lemon. Smells delicious.
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that a little bit. And we got gloves, of course. Let's add the rest of the chicken in here. And this is Jody's delicious marinade for the chicken adobo. It's gonna sprinkle black pepper. If you like a lot of black pepper, throw in a lot of black pepper. If you don't, then don't. It's up to you. That's what's good about being the cook. And then again, more garlic. And let's just marinate that. And we are going to marinate this in the refrigerator because that's where it's cold for 30 minutes. And while that's sitting in the refrigerator, you clean as you go. That means you clean all your pots and pans. You wipe down the table with soapy water and then sanitize. You switch your gloves out and you clean up all this so you have less things to do later and not waste time. Time management.
Hey cadets, it's Miss Jody. I am going to be doing the cooking part of the chicken adobo. So I start on high heat with the oil and I throw in the chicken pieces, like hold it like this and let it burn a little bit. Maybe for home cooking, don't put it on high in case, you start a fire. And I let it simmer and leave the juice on the side for later. Okay, we're 5 minutes in. You go in and just stir up your chicken so it gets cooked evenly. And throw it on it. Stop. Okay, 10 minutes in, you'll see that the liquid is reduced. And then I take our leftover berry and throw it in. And let it continue to simmer for another 15 minutes. Best chicken to use is thighs.
Hello, my name is Major Pat Cruz, Programs Officer here at the Washington Youth Academy. I will now be conducting a taste test of Miss Jody's chicken adobo. I'm going to show you how we normally eat it back on the island of Guam, since this is a Guam recipe. So here goes. What you normally do is I'm going to be eating it with rice, white rice as you can see. I'm going to take some of the juice and put it on the rice. Alright, I'm going to be removing my mask now because I cannot eat with my mask on. And here it goes. A little bit of chicken with rice. Delicious.
Cut it.